Hello. I'd like to open a bank account.
Sure. Would you like a savings account or a current account?
Bank account, a place where your money is safely kept by the bank. Saving account, a bank account where you can save money and earn a little interest. Current account, a bank account used mostly by businesses for daily transactions.
What's the difference?
A savings account is for saving money and earning interest, while a current account is used for regular transactions, usually for businesses.
Interest, extra money the bank gives you for keeping your money in your account. Transactions, anytime you put in or take out money from your account.
Okay. I want to open a savings account.
Great. I'll need your ID proof and address proof. We also require KYC documents.
ID proof. A document that shows who you are, like your national ID or passport. Address proof. A document that shows where you live, like a utility bill or rent agreement. KYC documents. Documents the bank needs to know you better, like ID and address proof.
Here is my Aadhaar card and PAN card.
Perfect. Please fill out this account opening form.
Aadhaar card, a unique ID card used in India for personal identification. PAN card, a card with a 10-digit number used in India for tax and banking purposes. Account opening form, a form you fill out to open a new bank account.
Sure. Is there a minimum balance I need to keep?
Yes, the minimum balance is $100. If the balance is low, bank charges will apply.
Minimum balance, the least amount of money you must keep in your bank account so it stays active.
Got it. Can I get a debit card and checkbook?
Yes, you'll get a welcome kit with a debit card, checkbook, and passbook.
Debit card, a card that lets you spend money directly from your bank account. Checkbook, a book of checks you can use to pay someone from your bank account. Welcome kit, a starter pack given by the bank that includes your debit card, checkbook, etc. Passbook, a small book that records all the transactions in your bank account.
When will I get my ATM PIN?
It will be sent to your registered mobile number within 2 to 3 working days.
ATM PIN, a secret 4-digit number used to withdraw money from ATMs. 2-3 working days. It means 2 to 3 business days, not counting weekends or holidays.
Okay. Can I also activate mobile banking?
Yes, just download our app and use your account number and OTP to register.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Your account will be active within 24 hours.
Mobile banking, using a phone app to check your account, send money, or pay bills. OTP, one-time password, a code sent to your phone to confirm your identity when making online transactions. Now you know the most important banking words. Want to learn more useful vocabulary like this? Subscribe to English Vocabulary 101 and hit the bell icon. Comment below, which word was new for you today? Like this video and share it with a friend who needs banking help.